Hi there, I'm here to present the new motor from FKG, the most advanced motor that FKG has. It is the Rooter X4000. So this motor has two different units, the main unit and the charging unit that has a handpiece and a contraangle. Now this base and the main unit, they talk each other via a Bluetooth. Now let me turn on this unit and basically the main unit has three modes, which I'm going to show to you here in the bottom of this main display. This is actually the standard mode where the whole library of all files from FKG are displayed here. But you also can build your own library, and so you can bring different types of files from different companies, and you can choose different types of speeds, different types of torques, but also you can change the movements of the files, maybe reciprocating and rotation. With only one click of the on and off button that you have in the motor, you actually can progress in different types of movements. It's just to program over here. Now the second mode, it is the pure apex locator. Now the apex locator can be connected to the main unit through a USB-C. Here you have the two electrodes, the one that goes in the lip and the one that goes into the file. So this is a regular, apex locator, but it features something very special. It's a little watch here that shows you that perhaps in some cases you are navigating down towards the apical part too fast. So it's a kind of a warning telling you that the system is overwhelmed with a lot of information. So you have to go slowly in order to get a precise reading. Now, interesting to see it is that this USB-C can also be connected to the motor, and this unit can be far away from the patient. That means that you don't need to cross the patient with cables and everything, but place the motor close to the patient and this far away behind you, and still it's going to work as a regular apex locator, as you can see over here. Now the third mode, it's going to be actually the combination between apex locator and the motor. And here is interesting because now you take this electrode out, and actually your electrode, it's going to be the file itself. So as you come in close down to the apical part, the unit will show you and will give you a sonoric warning that you are coming close to the apical part. Now here you can choose whatever way you want, whether you stop the file when you reach the determined level you want to have in the apex locator, or slow down or reverse. And there is another feature that I think it's very, very nice. It is that as you come down to the apical part and close to the level you had assigned and pre-programmed before, the light of the motor will starting to flash. This is a great feature because some patients, they don't like to hear the noise that you're coming close to something, So you turn off that particular sound, and just based on the approximation of the apical part, with the flashing of the light. So the light starting to flash, showing that you are coming close to the apical part. But there are many, many other features, this motor here, which I had made a video that it is available at www.fkg.ch, and then you will find X4000. So there is a 25 minutes tutorial video where I go into each mode and I explore to you how to build the library, how to incorporate different types of movements, how to calibrate your apex locator, and also the different features that you have in the combined mode, which is motor and apex locator. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Go to FKG and take a look into this particular video, and so you're going to learn a little bit more. So hope you enjoy.